Did you know that choking is the fourth leading cause of unintentional injury death? It's a chilling statistic that underscores the urgency of finding effective solutions. Every day, lives hang in the balance as people choke on food, small objects, or other obstructions. Thankfully, innovation hasn't been idle. Enter DeCHOKER and LifeVac, two groundbreaking devices engineered to combat choking emergencies. Today we're going to explore these life-saving innovations, comparing their design, functionality, and ease of use. Let's delve into how these devices could be potential game-changers in choking emergencies. At first glance, DeCHOKER and LifeVac may seem similar, but they are distinct in their design and operation. DeCHOKER, for instance, focuses on patient comfort and convenience. It features an easy-to-grip handle and a face mask that fits over the mouth and nose. The device operates by a pull and push mechanism, which creates a vacuum to dislodge any obstructing item. On the other hand, LifeVac takes a slightly different approach. Its design incorporates a one-way valve system, a unique feature that prevents air from entering the patient's airway during use. This system, combined with the device's face mask and handheld plunger, creates a suction force to remove the choking hazard. In terms of technological innovation, both devices are at the forefront. DeCHOKER's airway clearing mechanism and LifeVac's patented one-way valve system are both designed to swiftly and effectively clear a person's airway in a choking emergency. Both devices are designed with the user in mind, but how easy are they to use? In a choking emergency, every second counts, so a device needs to be user-friendly. This is exactly where LifeVac and DeCHOKER shine. LifeVac, with its unique design, allows for self-administration, making it a potential lifesaver when you're alone. Just place, push, and pull. It's as simple as that. On the other hand, DeCHOKER focuses on straightforwardness. Its intuitive design includes easy-to-follow instructions, ensuring that even in panic-stricken situations, you can operate the device efficiently. But wait, these devices aren't just for home use. Their versatility extends to various settings. They can be lifesavers in schools, where children often choke on small objects, or in nursing homes, where the elderly might struggle with swallowing. So whether it's a bustling classroom, a quiet home, or a caring nursing home, these devices can be your quick response to a choking emergency. While both devices are easy to use, they do come with different training recommendations. Training can be critical when it comes to using anti-choking devices effectively. For the DeCHOKER, it's advised to familiarize yourself with the device and its operation, as this can be crucial in an emergency situation. On the other hand, LifeVac's simplicity allows for use without formal training, making it an accessible tool for anyone. Now let's talk about shelf life. DeCHOKER comes with a 2-year shelf life, ensuring it's ready for action when needed. LifeVac, however, offers an indefinite shelf life, which means it's always ready for use, no matter how much time has passed. Lastly, let's highlight some unique features. DeCHOKER has a specially designed canister that traps dislodged objects, preventing further choking hazards. LifeVac, on the other hand, boasts a patented one-way valve system, ensuring that air flows in only one direction, enhancing its effectiveness. So there we have it, a comparative look at DeCHOKER and LifeVac, two devices that could make a world of difference in a choking emergency. Let's quickly recap the key points we've discussed about DeCHOKER and LifeVac. Both devices are designed with patient comfort and convenience in mind, and they operate differently to clear airways during choking emergencies. They're user-friendly and versatile, suitable for various environments from homes to nursing homes. While LifeVac doesn't require formal training, DeCHOKER does recommend it. DeCHOKER has a shelf life of 24 months, whereas LifeVac's is indefinite. Remember, these devices are not substitutes for professional medical care, but they could potentially save a life in a choking emergency.